yung tatakil natin of the so many products of our company.
Right.
Siyempre, kailan natin yung pinaka-effective. Okay? My word is effective.
Okay.
So, namin yung mga words natin na the most effective para mapalakas natin yung katawan natin to fight this virus. Okay, number one, of course, yung best product natin yung C24/7.
Yun.
Because every time
247 yun.
if you're gonna look for different kinds of fruits and vegetables, vitamins, yan,
Yun.
yung hawak ni Brother Jason, yan pa rin yan. Kasi lahat ng hinahanap mo, in a food supplement that can help your body, it's not
Nandito
regular
na.
product.
Buksan naman.
Kung gaano karami.
Tingin. O yan, pakita na natin.
Siyempre.
Ito ha. Yan. Lahat nandito na, Dok.
Everything that you're looking for, specific
Aba,
vitamins,
oo
will be
nga.
right there. Pangalawa, yung complete. May mga situations tayo pag
Sala.
for pregnant women.
Yun, Dok. Yun ang sorry ha. Yun yung tanong ko eh. Sa lahat po ba to pwede?
Wow, yun na, yung for, complete ako pag mga pregnant women, okay? Pangalawa, pag may mga bleeding episodes, bleeding tendencies, okay? Umiinom ng mga blood thinning synthetic medications.
Blood thinning, Dok.
I'll go for complete.
Ayun. Etong
I'll
isa.
go for complete phyto-energizer. Siyempre, inood ko lalo na pag sa buntis. I'll
Buntis.
go for complete. Okay? Now, pag sa bata, aside from those products, okay? Sa bata muna tayo, Dr. Rachel, ano
Yes.
bang magandang produkto natin pag sa kids naman below 12 years old?
Okay, so for kids, so we also have products good for you. We have also what we call the Kiddie 24/7. So the Kiddie 24/7, what's nice about this is a Nutragummy candy, no? So as usual,
Candy lang,
alam
no?
naman natin, di
Parang
ba?
candy.
Parang gummy bears.
Opo.
Ayos
Alam
yan,
naman natin yung mga batang mahilig sila sa candy. So hindi na po tayo mahihirapang na pakainin sila ng candy kasi talagang mahilig naman
Pati,
sila,
ayos.
no? Mahilig naman talaga sila sa candy talaga. So hindi ka na mahirapang magkain sa kanila niyan. Sila mismo ang lalapit niyan, no? So kahit po yung
26.
Oo, ayan. So
Ito yun, Dok.
yes, yan po yung ating
Pwedeng tikman?
Oh, so pwede mo paabot yan sa bata, no? So individually wrap po yung mga candy po
Wow.
natin. So pa-isa-isa yung bigay lang sa bata. So as much as possible, so
Yan, binuksan.
ayan.
Binuksan?
Okay. So what else? So aside from the Kiddie 24/7, we also have what we call the My Choco. This is a chocolate drink, no?
Ayan.
So, chocolate
Iabot mo
drink
yan.
naman po ito. Ayan.
nako.
So, napakahilig
Dito,
ng mga
dito.
bata sa mga chocolate drink. So, ito po yung pwedeng-pwede sa kanila. Kasi nga po, what's nice about this product also, nilagyan din po kasi yan ng capsule ng complete. 1/3 of the capsule for complete, meron po yan. And at the same time, may DHA pa.
Complete.
Yes.
Good for the brain.
Good for
Kumbaga,
the
Dok, pag
brain.
inom mo nito, parang nandun na yung complete.
Meron talaga siya, hindi pa.
1/3.
1/3 of the capsule, yes.
Ayos
The
ah.
complete.
Ano to?
Yan. Okay. Yan, that's the one we call as Ultra H2 or the molecular hydrogen. Ano bang advantage? Of course, when you put the water inside, okay, i-click mo lang siya ng 2 beses, it will run for 5 minutes.
Yun.
Yung normal hydrogen or water, it will become a molecular hydrogen, naging H2. Okay?
Anong-
What's the advantage? Sabi nga nila, alam mo naging advantage nito. So, if we will drink the molecular hydrogen, pagpasok sa katawan natin, pag-ikot ng hydrogen, once it encounters a free radical, kakabitan niyan. Sige, banggit tayo medyo medical lang konti. Hydroxide ion, OH negative. Pag nabigitan ng hydrogen, it will form water. So, syempre, the basic question is, kailangan ba natin ng tubig sa katawan? Definitely yes,
Yes.
because we're 2/3 water. So, ano mangyayari? It can be able to neutralize the free radicals inside the body. So, it's a super antioxidant.
Super.
Super antioxidant. Meron pa isang maganda eh. Aside from this so-called molecular hydrogen, Dr. Rachel, explain mo naman yung suot natin.
Ayos to. Meron
Ito
pa
ba yan?
rin.
Ito ba yan?
Suot na.
Yes, so we
Eto.
also have a product what we call the Eye Protect 24/7.
Yun.
So ano po ba ang meron dito? So
Pwede ba?
it comes with the necklace and of course, meron po tayong tinatawag na pocket kung saan ito po ay nilalagay dito sa loob ng kwintas natin, no? So ito po yung nilalagay sa loob ng kwintas natin. Ano po ba ang meron dito sa ating pocket po na to, no? So, okay.
Here, this one, brother. This one.
Ayan. So, ano po ba ang ginagawa po niyan? So, it releases fumes, no? So, when we say fumes, ito po ay amoy. No?
Amoy.
Yes, it can create 1 to 2 meter green zone. So, what is that? So, ibig sabihin po nito, yung mga 1-2 metro mula dito sa kwintas po natin,
Radius.
yung radius meter po na 2 meter, just imagine, it can disintegrate no bacteria and viruses no that goes in the air.
Kung may humatching, Dok. Halimbawa, sabi nyo kanina, may humatching.
Sa studies na ginawa na nila on the past, okay, kung may humacheng,
Okay.
okay, tapos pumasok sa green zone,
Yun.
it will disintegrate. Kasi maybe you will be asking, ano yung green zone protection na sinabi ni Dr. Rachel? Well, it contains chlorine dioxide. Okay,
Chlorine dioxide.
And marami ng studies ginawa on the past, yung tinatawag nilang chlorine dioxide wet test. Ano ginawa doon? Pinaligiran ng mga mikrobyo. Pag talagyan ng chlorine dioxide, no matter a few seconds to minutes, namatay yung mga mikrobyo. So, yun yung ginawa sa laboratory ng mga doktor, ng mga scientists, and ang ginawa nila dito, iniligay.
Dito, no?
Dito. Now, sabi ni Doc, di ba ang chlorine, mabilis namang mawawala yan? According to studies, it will last for hours to days, pero ito ang ginawa nila, sustained release technology, pare.
Sustained release.
Release technology.
Ano po yung do?
Patatagalin niya. Hinay-hinay yung paglabas ng
Ah,
chlorine
yes, sir.
dioxide.
So ilang days yan, Dok?
Yun. Ilang days tayo, Dr. Rachel?
Okay, so it can protect us for a period of 30 days.
30 days.
Wow,
Yes.
tagal din. Isang buwan.
Ayos to,
So each and every 30 days, we have to replace
Ayun.
what's inside our necklace. What we call the iProtect 24/7 pocket.
And
Ayos.
another
Perfect.
product that we may also use, or that we can use, not made, but we can also use, will be our white light sublingual glutathione.
Di ba, Dok? Glutathione, pampaputi?
Okay.
Di ba pampaputi yan?
Yes, of course.
Dok?
Dr. Rachel, pampaputi lang daw ba ang glutathione? So,
Okay, so as usual, layman would really know that that glutathione is mainly for whitening purposes, but it's only the side effect of glutathione. Why?
Right.
Because the main function of a glutathione in our body, it's an antioxidant. Again, when we say antioxidant, it boosts also our immune system. So it would really be helpful to each and every one of us also to use the white light product.
so klaruhin ko lang yung
Immune system din pala yun, no?
yung mga words natin, ano, pati yung pagkakaunawa ng mga layperson, hindi lang talaga siya whitening, it's just one of the side effects. Pero ang talagang function niya, it's not just for the liver. Kasi akala na iba, liver detoxifier lang siya. No, it's really a detoxifier for the entire body. Yun ang kagandahan ng white light. And since ang objective natin ngayon palakasin ng katawan, we can use these products in
Lupit
combination.
pala itong white light na to.
Maganda rin siyang gamitin. Pero paano ko, let's try to clarify the words again. Kasi baka tanongin ng mga tao, are these products, okay, the right medications? Can they really be able to kill the
Yes,
the
yun,
virus? Yun yung usual question. Let me try to clarify. Sa ngayon, wala pa talagang treatment.
Studies.
Okay, wala pa talagang gamot that can kill the virus. Okay, dapat maliwanag po sa atin yon. The objective of the products is of course, patibayin yung katawan natin. Okay, to boost the immune system. Because I would like to clarify the issue. Sabi nga, i-reiterate natin yung sinabi ni Dr. Rachel kanina. How can we prevent them? Hand washing, social distancing, cover your mouth, nose, and eyes, avoid the T-zone. Okay, yung
Ano yun, Doc?
T-zone, the
T-zone.
eyes, nose.
Kasi formal T siya eh.
At
Avoid the T-zone, okay? Tapos, yun nga, yung mga washing of hands. Tapos, pero again, ito, dapat sabihin din natin, especially for the leaders of the company, I would like to inform you, sleep, please. Matulog kayo. Huwag niyo po babayin ng
Pwede na ba ngayon, Doc?
8 oras. Okay? Huwag
Ilan,
niyo-
Doc? Ilan?
8 oras.
8?
That's the time wherein our cells are being regenerated. Pangalawa, water is very essential nowadays. 8 to 10 glass of water. Okay,
Ayos.
kailangan natin yan. If you can
Wala
do
ako.
some exercises at home,
Yun.
na...
Ako, may segment kami
Oo, babanatan ng ating
Oo, kasi
mga
bawal
kasama.
lumabas eh, no, Doc?
Kailangan-
Bawal
kailangan.
mag-jogging.
Yung sinabi ni Dr. Rachel, pagkain.
Oh.
We need to eat fruits and vegetables, eat regularly, kailangan din po. Pero at the end of the day, these food supplements will also help. The word is help, kaya nga po supplement. Will help
Supply.
our body strengthen our immune system para lalo po tayong lumakas na kung sakali man po, wag naman sana, at nasagap natin yung mikrobyo, eh, malakas ang ating immune system para labanan po yung mga mikrobyo. Yun po yun.
Ayos.
Okay, thank you, Dok.
So, maraming salamat, Doc. I'm sure maraming natutunan yung ating mga empowered consumers around the globe. So,
Doktora, final message.
final message muna. Ha?
Okay, syempre po, lagi namin sinasabi dito, stay healthy everyone.
Because health is wealth.
Yes.
Brothers, okay, don't forget healthy, stay at home, enjoy life, and please don't forget, pray. Kailangan natin yan.
Amen. Tsaka, stand by for our next segment. Susunod yun, no? Sa mga darating na araw. Okay, God bless everyone. Kung nasan man kayo, be healthy, be protected.
Easy
God bless you.
time. Easy lang.
Easy.
Power